cars are crazy. Did you see that?
All right. I know. As always, your boy's looking rough. Hey, sometimes life be lifing. So today, we're gonna be playing musical cars, and I messed up. So we're gonna do this. Here is my truck, the Import Live truck. Every single one of my vehicles right now has something going on with it. I had a system in here, and I took my system out, had to build a whole new box, had to get a new subwoofers, get everything else done, and everything was fine and dandy. Up until we connected everything and found out that I gonna need a new amp. So this amp right here has to get replaced. Luckily I have a new one already. But yeah, you can see there's all kind of crazy. This is a battery. That's the battery just to run it, okay? Now, it pushes about between, 10 to 13,000 watts. That's just for the subs. And I'm gonna need a new head unit. So, upgraded everything perfectly fine. Just the amp and the new head unit, thousands. Now to power all this, what you don't see in a lot of people's vehicles, how many times you seen 1, 2, 3 alternators ran just to power everything, okay? But what we're doing today with this, taking it down to Allen Sons, my mechanic shop, to get, tune up, get everything flushed out, just making sure everything's getting the brakes checked, just making sure everything is tip top, because I drive around in this everywhere, you know what I mean? Now we have my Denali, Suburban, my Denali. This has been sitting for about 3 years. I kind of just abandoned it a little bit, which is sad because it's a perfectly good vehicle. With this, for whatever reason, it's shaking back and forth. So I'm gonna have to get the alignment check, get new tires, replace the rotors, replace the brakes, just redo everything, But here's where I messed up big. I broke Mindy's car. She's not tripping, but I'm gonna show you something on the ground, and then I'm gonna show you where her car is at. So if you look, you can see all kind of dots, dots, and I'm like following the dots. I usually pull up here and then back up and then go this way. Look, still following. All this is coming from Mindy's car. Didn't know what the hell it was. This is not water. This is not antifreeze. It's oil. What does Mindy's car look like now? Wah, wah. I promise you, I didn't do nothing crazy. So her car still looks good. It's dirty. So what I did was jacked it up, looked underneath. There's oil all down here. I was hoping, I was like, okay, hell yeah, maybe it's the oil filter or the plug came loose or something. I cleaned it up pretty good. I don't know if it's the, torque converter, the transfer case, it could be anything, or just a simple seal and gasket. But what we're gonna do is we have to drop off the Suburban first to Allen Sons, get them there, get the Suburban back, get this towed back to Allen Sons so they can throw it up on the lift, diagnose it. Now, there's a problem. Because my Lexus is getting fully rebuilt, as you guys have been seeing, or if you haven't been seeing, check out the past videos. We can use my car as a parts car. So, if it's the trans, let's take it out of mine and put it in here, good to go. But we have plans on boosting Mindy's car. So why not take the trans out, let's build it up so it can handle the horsepower. My thing is, instead of just replacing something, upgrade it. It's a mess up, it sucks. Got a couple people that I've hit up about who can help me out with this, because I don't do transmissions, I don't, pretty much what gears to buy, what parts to get, where to go, who's reliable, who's quick. I don't need to be having something sitting for months, I just need a quick turnaround. That's not always safe, but that's what I need right now. So either simple fix with this, hopefully fingers crossed, or we're gonna take this out, put my old stuff in here, because it's the same as that car, and mine has way like 100,000 miles less, almost, than this one. So we know mine's good, but it's gonna have to come back out again to build up. So let's get this started. First up, Suburban. Second up, Mindy's car. Third up, the Denali. It's gonna be a headache, and all of this sounds expensive. Let's go. All right, down here at Allen Sons to drop the truck off and to give him the bad news that he's about to get 3 vehicles. Watch this. What up? Record right now? Yeah. So, it's bad. It's bad.
What's bad?
All bad.
What'd you do?
Yeah, that part. I don't know. That's why I got you. Drop it off the Suburban.
So we can fix it instead of hold on to it and keep it captive for a week like
Yeah.
last time?
So there's that. But
He said it's all bad.
yeah, over the weekend, I think I blew out Mindy's transmission in the Lexus, and now it's in my garage. So I'm gonna get it after, and I was gonna tell you ahead of time so there's no surprises.
After
But
it's done?
yeah, I'm gonna get it towed over here. It's leaking oil everywhere, but especially underneath. And I was like, hopefully it was a plug or maybe the oil filter, whatever. It's none of that. It's either the transmission, or the transfer case, or the you know what I mean? Like, so we're having these issues and a couple simple solutions. Because we're gonna eventually turbo Mindy's car also, it's a perfect way to upgrade the transmission. So I can take it out, if it is that, and then get it fixed because it's just internals, whatever. Or take my transmission out of my black Lexus and then put it into hers. Meaning that if we want to wait on the upgrade, we can take her old one out and I can upgrade that, but then get mine and then just put it in hers.
Or you could order the upgraded one and we can put that in there.
It's just time, and then I don't know how much it's gonna cost. And if I have, pretty much my car is a parts car because we're not gonna be using anything on it that was stock, So now it's like, well, fuck, if her shit broke down, let's take parts from mine and put it on hers. It was a while ago, a long time ago, where her second gear kind of felt like it was slipping anyway. Oh no, yeah, it can move. I could drive it over here. It's gonna be this one, and then after this is gonna be Mindy's Lexus, and then after Mindy's Lexus is gonna be my Denali, which is gonna be pretty much the same thing, but the Denali is gonna be the brakes, the rotors.
All right, well, let's get this one done first. And then
Spark plugs, the fucking everything, all through
blowing
it.
up your shit while you're not even around, huh?
Look, I need everybody. Hello.
Stupid.
Daniel's blowing up your car.
Dude, you know what? Him or me, one of us. You know what I'm saying? We both had our hands on the wheel that day.
I don't like to just throw the cars on you. I was trying to give you like a heads up.
Well,
You know what I mean?
Okay. I'll call you when this one's done.
Okay. All right. Cool. Yeah. Mindy is always so nervous whenever she drives me. Watch this. Damn. Look at this. Nervous?
Yes. For sure. I hate driving with you in the car. See, I'm not even letting you get your seatbelt buckled because I'm so freaking scared.
Part 1 of who knows how many parts until we figure stuff out, but I'll get back with you.